What it do, TRILLGANG? It's your boy TRILLGANG Whipz, and I'm back with another banger, man. Hey guys, it's been a minute since he been in front of the camera. Look who we got here. I got my road dog. Yes, sir, my son. Look at him. Say hello to YouTube. What you gotta say for YouTube? Huh? You missed it? You miss being on camera? Don't be acting like you outside. Got your Michael Jordan, got the Bulls on and everything. Look at them fly. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, we are actually going to Houston Whipz car meet right now, man. Meeting up with the crew, Houston GQs. You know what I'm saying? And if y'all know, man, if y'all from Houston, y'all know Houston Whipz bring out them bangers, and she brings out the whole city. You know what I'm saying? So if you're new to the channel, man, like this video, comment below, click that subscribe button, and make sure you click the post notification to be notified every time I drop a video on my channel. So my son's gonna sit here, he's gonna record me, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna play some music, we're gonna turn up, and guess what? We're gonna give y'all some of that good old content. So without further ado, let's get on with it. Deuces! Guys, man, unfortunate, man. I just busted a tire, man, on the road. I ran over something, man, on the way to the meet, guys. Man, it's unfortunate. But through the grace of God, you know what I'm saying, I got my child here. Luckily, these guys over here, man, they were just open, man. I'm just so blessed, man. So let me show you guys, man. These came in the clutch because he closes at 8. Man, these guys came in the clutch, man. Y'all check them out. They're on Irvington and 610 East, guys. Irvington and 610 East. So, let's go. Yes, sir. So, that was definitely a lifesaver, man. Definitely a lifesaver, guys. Y'all check them out, man. Came in the clutch, man. But on our way back to the meet. Look at my son, guys. He loved playing with it. Yes, sir. We're finally back on the road. Look at it. Yes, sir. Popping the top. Getting us right, man. Yes, sir. All right, guys. On to the meet. So we just made it to the meet, man. So let's go ahead and show y'all these cars. My boy here. Look at all the cars. Got some G37s right here. Oh yeah, this thing hard, man. Ooh. Details, man. Oh yeah, details. I sell some Mustangs, Camaro. Oh yeah. Come on. Come this way. Where? Oh yeah, the BMW right here. Got a first gen CT SV. That's a Cadillac CT SV, first generation. What, you like BMWs? 392. Oh yeah. Them boys out. About to go ahead and make our rounds. You know what I'm saying? But you know we gotta get rid of that. We gotta get rid of that copyright. You know what I'm saying? Gotta get some of that copyright, so we got to do it, man. You like this Camaro? You don't know, you don't even care. They go, oh snap, boys pulled up with the demon. Hey, yep. Boys done pulled up with the demon. Y'all see it, man. Y'all see it, big demon. He pulled up, big demon. Man, say it was a fake.
That someone has to say.
What? I mean, there's other cars that got convertibles too. You got the Versace. Y'all, if y'all seen my last video, y'all definitely seen that in one of my last videos. You know what I'm saying? We just gonna walk around. Yeah. You know, a bunch of Camaros. Yeah, that's a Corvette. That's a 6.6. Oh, shit. Hold on.
He's gonna be the star, he's gonna steal the show from everything. Come on through. I need one of them cameras right there. He ain't got the microphone.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make you famous. I got 20,000 followers. I'm gonna make you famous.
Why the hell you ain't shout me out yet?
Look.
Not deactivated, bro.
Nah, bro. He's gonna hate them shit.
I think I got him.
That's the Lamborghini. I saw Lamborghini.
Yeah. I mean, everybody not. I mean, you just seeing the outside. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, don't start that shit.
Hey, don't start that. They starting already, bro.
This is my favorite.
Yeah, that Deadpool.
I already know that.
Fucking stupid, bro.
That's dumb. He just almost hit us real.
They finna kick him out, bro. They not playing.
Two ass
stupid,
man.
man.
A whole group of people. He would have went to jail for that. Now other people are leaving. He's like, nope, I don't want to be here.
Yup. Now everybody finna leave. Oh yeah, got the big boy. Yeah. Got the Bentley.
Got the same cars over here too.
You got the Earth. Man, you fucking stupid, guy. Man, get the fuck out of here, man. Fucking dumbass, bruh.
I knew he was gonna do that. I called. Didn't I just call that? I think he won't do this shit again.
Come on, bruh. You finna make everybody leave. What they doing? I know that's a Lamborghini. Go get his ass.
He's right there. He gonna get him. Go get him. He's sitting right there.
She finna take his picture of his plates.
Do it.
What?
The one that took in his car. The one that organized everything.
He's right on his
Man,
dad.
what's going on?
Yeah, that's fucked up.
Come on, man. They already starting.
Yeah, he almost hit the fucking bike. He was done that.
Nah, someone tried to do a burnout. Yeah, he did some burnouts over here.
Yeah, there's no room there before he really almost hit that bike.
Yeah.
He did burn out twice.
Well, the organizer just chased him to get the plate, so.
He did burnout over there, right here, and then right here. That did chase him with the plate. He definitely got the plate.
Oh man, yeah, I know y'all trying to be relaxed, man. I know y'all ain't. Yeah, I know. I already know, man. You got it, man, cause that's good.
We don't allow that shit.
Yeah, I already know, man.
Addictive Habits, they did the same shit Addictive Habits me. He's that same dude, I recognize him. But he has a change, because the dude, he's
Always calm.
That's stupid. He almost hit.
If you can't respect the laws, get out of here.
Real talk, bro. Real talk. Real. Come on, son. Nah, you can't do that here. It's not, huh? There ain't even enough room for all that, man. Come on, bro. They tripping already.
Dad, there's a little car up there.
What car?
That car right there.
What car?
That purple.
Oh, that's a Miata.
Why is it small?
Because that's how it's built. It's built like that, man. Look, you got you some more BMWs. We came over here. Where? Oh yeah, Bride of Chucky. Got the Miata right here. Got you a 390. Oh, nah, that's a Hellcat. Got a Sylvia. What's up? Oh yeah, some bad motherfucking rides. That's a 392. Getting all this footage. Got a 300. Got an RT Charger.
Dad, can we send it to
Got an RT Durango. What's up? Yeah, this is going on YouTube. Your friends?
No, not my friends.
Your brother?
Yes. Oh, that's our.
Like a cute 50, you know what I'm saying? Type R, C6, another Type R. vibe right here.
Okay, that's the same as that one.
Go this way. Oh yeah, got the crew right here. Y'all already see. We got the crew right here. Houston GQs, man. Got some of the crew. Some people left already. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. Alright guys, this is pretty much the end of the video, guys, man. So if you like this video, man, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you click those post notification bells so you can be notified every time I drop a video, man. It's your boy Trill Young Wavy, and I'm out. Deuces.